Which painting features a woman with a mysterious smile? The Starry Night, The Persistence of Memory, Mona Lisa, The Last Supper. The correct answer is Mona Lisa. Which holiday in the United States is often called Turkey Day? Independence Day, Thanksgiving, Veterans Day, Labor Day. The correct answer is Thanksgiving. Gallium is commonly used in the production of solar panels, wind turbines, microchips, optical lenses. The correct answer is microchips. Which instrument is the largest in the brass family? Trumpet, trombone, tuba, French horn. The correct answer is tuba. What is considered the fastest speed in the universe? Sound, wind, speed of light, speed of electricity. The correct answer is speed of light. Which condiment was once used as medicine? Mustard, ketchup, soy sauce, vinegar. The correct answer is ketchup. Which country has sovereignty over Easter Island? Peru, Chile, Argentina, Ecuador. The correct answer is Chile. What was Twitter originally called when first launched? Chirper, Twitbox, Twitter, TweetSpace. The correct answer is Twitter. What was the primary economic activity of the Carthaginians? Agriculture, fishing, mining, trade and commerce. The correct answer is trade and commerce. What is the term for a group of galaxies bound together by gravity? Solar system, star cluster, galaxy cluster, nebula. The correct answer is galaxy cluster. Which famous Byzantine emperor is known for codifying Roman laws into the Corpus Juris Civilis? Justinian I, Constantine the Great, Theodosius I, Heraclius. The correct answer is Justinian I. Which sea is considered the saltiest in the world? Red Sea, Dead Sea, Arabian Sea, Mediterranean Sea. The correct answer is Dead Sea. Who is regarded as the final prophet in Islam? Moses, Jesus, Abraham. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. What is the capital city of Monaco, the glamorous principality on the Mediterranean coast? Monte Carlo, Monaheti, Fontville, Monaco. The correct answer is Monaco. What is the largest artery in the human body? Carotid artery, pulmonary artery, aorta, femoral artery. The correct answer is aorta.